you want to book more calls from the warm leads who actually dropped off through your webinar? If you listen in, I can show you how you can use what we call the Fast Funnel Retargeting Ad. Now, this is a really simple strategy. Yeah, it gets your warm leads who already had shown up to actually book a call with you without them making fill in a really long application or having them to go through and click through your complicated funnel. Hello, my name's Tina and I'm from tinasanford.com. Now, I run a family ad agency with my son Dan, and we actually work with coaches and service providers to turn their leads from their ad funnels into real booked calls. Yeah, we create absolutely everything so that you can just hit record on your phone and then we handle everything else for you. And right now, in every video I post, I'm going to give you one strategy that you could actually use straight away, okay? Now, these days, the real issue isn't about getting people to actually watch a webinar, you know that. The challenge is actually getting the people who already showed an interest to take that next step and to book in that call with you. You know what it's like. You've done everything right. You ran the ads, you can see that people opted in, they started watching, and then the drop-off hits. There's no booking, there's no next step. Just silence. And you might think the answer is to send more kind of follow-ups, more emails, or deliver more value. But right now, that's really not the block that we're finding. Most warm leads were halfway ready, and the real problem is that the next step in your funnel just asks too much from them right now. It demands more of their time and more kind of decision-making energy than they're willing to give at that moment. So they kind of like bounce. But that doesn't mean to say that they're lost. It usually means that they need just something a little bit easier to fill in, something that just feels like a little small step. And this is exactly where our Fast Funnel Retargeting Ads actually fit in. I want to show you how this works actually. First, we run a short video specifically. It's actually an ad that directly calls out your drop-off audience. It could be something like, hey, if you started my webinar but didn't book in a call, this is for you. And then in the video, you invite them to send you a DM. There's no form, there's no funnel, it's just a simple message. Then when they reply, you ask one simple qualifying question and you just take it from there. Ah, goodness, it turns that complicated process into just a simple chat with them, and then that's what creates that movement. The reason it works though is because it removes that friction right now. And these leads, you've got to remember, they're already warm. You don't need to convince them from scratch. You just need to offer them the next step that respects their time and makes it easy for them to say yes to. And you're going to find once a few leads start messaging, you kind of create a social momentum. People see others engaging and then they feel safer stepping forward too. Now, this results without needing to actually target more cold traffic or make new funnels. And if you want to get this running inside your own funnel today, I've built some simple templates to make it simple. So if you want these, drop the word fast below. Happy to send them to you in your messenger. And what you'll get is an exact video script. You'll get what to say in the DMs, the ad settings as well. And you can start converting your warm leads this week. It's a tiny shift. It's very small. But you'll find it can change everything if you've got a load of leads coming through your webinar right now. Cheers.